In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to secure your crypto wallet and exchange logins in under 3 minutes. If you've been worried about the safety of your crypto assets, this quick guide is for you. Let's start with one of the most basic yet crucial steps using two-factor authentication, 2FA, for all your crypto accounts. 2FA adds an extra layer of protection by requiring a second method of verification, like an SMS code or an authenticator app whenever you log in. Make sure you enable 2FA on both your crypto wallet and any exchanges you use. The more layers of security, the better. Next, always use a strong password. Your password should be long, at least 12 characters, and include a mix of letters, numbers, and special symbols. Avoid using easily guessable info like your name or birth date. And here's a pro tip. Don't reuse passwords across different sites. Use a password manager to keep track of them securely. Now let's talk about your wallet. If you're using a software wallet, make sure you back up your private keys offline. A hardware wallet is even more secure. These physical devices store your keys offline, meaning they're not vulnerable to online attacks. Store your hardware wallet in a safe place and never share your private key with anyone, not even your closest friends. Another major security risk comes from phishing attacks. These are deceptive emails or messages trying to steal your login credentials. Be cautious of any unsolicited messages asking for your account details or to click on links that look suspicious. Always double-check the URL of the website before entering your information. Make it a habit to type the URL into your browser instead of clicking links in emails. If you haven't done this already, make sure to enable withdrawal whitelisting on your exchange account. This way, you can limit withdrawals to specific wallet addresses, making it harder for someone to steal your assets. Most exchanges offer this feature, so check your settings. Lastly, keep your devices secure. Make sure your computer or smartphone is running the latest software updates. Install reputable antivirus software and avoid connecting to public Wi-Fi networks when managing your crypto. Public Wi-Fi can be a hacker's playground. To make sure you're taking every precaution, check your exchange and wallet for any recent unauthorized activity. Regularly review your transaction history for any strange behavior and set up alerts to notify you of any changes. So, what's the key takeaway here? Securing your crypto wallet and exchange logins requires a combination of strong passwords, 2FA, offline backups, and regular vigilance. Always be cautious and take every precaution to keep your assets safe. And before you go, don't forget that I've linked an exclusive free trial of our software in the description below. It's the best way to make sure your crypto security is on point, and it's only available for viewers of my channel. You can follow along and get your setup protected. Let's quickly review the steps. Enable 2FA, use strong passwords, keep backup keys offline, avoid phishing attacks, enable withdrawal whitelisting, and stay on top of your device security. Take these steps, and you'll have a much stronger defense against potential threats to your crypto holdings. Thanks for watching, and remember to take advantage of the exclusive trial linked below.